everyone, welcome back to SidSwats!
I'm Siddharth.
And I'm Swati. Today we're going to do some science experiments based on this ultimate science kit.
What
It's for little scientists. And this science kit, there's so much experiments like explosive science, color science, soap science, polymer science, lots and lots of science experiments. So, right?
Yeah, and also I always wanted to do this.
We're going to do it today. So,
Let's open
the box. Okay, sorry. So in here there's all this, and inside there's the science instruction manual. Science instruction manual, and there's instructions for science experiments. So
Let's get started, and also we're now gonna do something.
so like there is walking water.
What is my favorite?
Yes, let's make colors and more experiments like test tube, rainbow, and all that. But
We're not gonna do those. We are gonna do something else.
yes, but today we're gonna only do magic marbles. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started with this experiment. Let's go!
Yeah, and also tell what is there and in the instruction what we need.
Yes, we're gonna do it. Go!
Yeah, Yahoo!
Alright everyone, before we do the first step, I want to tell you guys what the materials we need for this experiment. Okay, so this is a scoop.
Well, what we need to scoop things.
That's right. And this is a spoon. We use this for eating, science kit, and everything. And today we're going to use this spoon for science.
This is not food. You should not eat this. This is science.
We don't eat this, okay? We don't eat this. It's called food coloring, but we should never ever eat this.
Don't-
Yellow food coloring, red food coloring.
Just don't think it's food. Just think it's for science.
Yes. And this is a measuring cylinder, so we can measure the water or something.
And also we can pour the water in this. That's why there's tubs.
Yeah, for measuring. And this is 2 cups for use.
This is gel powder. What always gels and made from soil.
Not made from soil, but it looks like soil, right? So brown.
Yeah. This is magic powder.
Magic powder. Let's see if this is magical or not, okay?
Yeah, and also it does look like powder, right?
Yes. Basically, the food coloring, these two, and this is given from the kit. Only this and this in hot water over here. Sorry, I forgot to mention hot water. We need it from home. All right.
Yeah.
So the first simple things like spoon, hot water, we need from home. But the things that we don't get in daily uses, they give it in the kit.
Okay. Yeah.
So let's do the first step now.
So the first step is.
First step of the procedure of this experiment is, taking hot water in this kettle and pouring 25 ml of this measuring cylinder.
And also pour it in this tinky tub.
Yes, but first take the hot water in the kettle and pour 25 ml in the measuring cylinder. Okay, so yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour this 25 ml in this cup, okay? Okay, so I've got 25 ml in this cup now, if you can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take gel powder and take 1/2 scoop. 1/2 scoop, okay? And now I'm going to, I'm just going to put it in one place. I'm going to sprinkle it everywhere.
And now time to mix it.
That's right. Let's mix it now. Mix it. Mix what?
It really looks like sand. Very sandy.
Sand. so I think we've mixed it well now.
And now, after this, we are gonna put this red food coloring.
Yes, there's a blue and yellow, but blue, yellow, and red, and I'm choosing red.
Because that's saying red also.
Okay, let's pour.
2 drops.
Exactly. Looks like blood.
Yeah, just like looks like blood. Someone's blood is very red.
Now let's agitate. Whoa, looks like raspberry porridge or something. It's like jam.
Yeah, jam.
Don't eat this. Don't
Yeah.
eat this. Never
Yeah.
eat this. It looks yummy, but do not eat this.
Yeah.
Or else you'll end up vomiting.
Or end up with poochies.
Well, something like that. And okay, we've mixed it now. Let's go to the third step. Okay, everyone. I forgot to also tell you guys that we must make sure when we mix this, we should mix it for 5 to 10 minutes so there are no lumps left. Lumps like, small little, what should I say, bubbles that come out, like small little...
Like small little balls.
Yeah, like that, small little balls that come out over here. Please don't do that. So for that, you can just mix it for 5 to 10 minutes and then leave it undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes so it can settle down and dissolve. Okay, until that, now we can fill this normal water into this cup. It's like, just up to the top. Just fill it like that.
And
then
we have to put magic powder in this thing.
yes, like we're gonna take this magic powder, half scoop, or only half scoop. We have to take it and put it in here. Shall we put it? Yes. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it now.
Let's mix it now, guys. Our subscribers.
Okay, everyone. So now all the magic powder has dissolved in here. Make sure it dissolves. It has dissolved in the water. The magic powder has dissolved in the water. Now this is the final part. And we're gonna, if it turns out good, it's our goal. Not goal, but we're gonna be very happy. If it's not, it's okay. Maybe it will turn out for you guys good. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So with the scoop, we're going to take one. It looks yucky. Sorry. One whole thing in here, and now we're gonna. Okay. And now we're gonna
put it in.
Now we're gonna slowly dip it inside the magic.
Magic.
No, magic powder.
Yeah, it's very magic. This is very magic science.
Okay, everyone. So I've just took it as last time I took it, and I just dipped it in here. And actually, it's not like a marble ball, but it has somehow gone out. I didn't expect this. It's very good. It somehow, just flirted. I thought it would sink, but it flirted. See, oh my goodness. It's flirting.
Yeah.
It's not a marble, but it's flirting. So this is very fun. And now I'm going to tell the concept of this because every science experiment has a concept. The concept of the experiment magic marble is given in the instruction manual. So it is, when gel powder paste comes in contact with the magic powder, a gel-like shell forms around it. So when the gel powder paste sees this magic powder, a gel-like shell, like a shell-shaped thing forms around it. Formed around the magic powder. So yes, that's a very nice science behind this. That's the thing over here. It's shown. So did you like the experiment?
Yeah, totally. Friends will do this, and hope our subscribers will do it also.
This science experiment is so good, but just like math, if one number go wrong, the whole sum is wrong. Just like this, if one step is wrong, the whole science experiment is wrong. So you have to do this very carefully and make sure your adult, an adult is with you guys. Okay, so I think we came to the end of this video. So bye bye and subscribe, like and share, right?
Yeah, bye bye. We are going to a really good place.
Yes, and a very good surprise for you guys. So that's birthday is coming along, so we're gonna take a vlog of that and put it. So
If you don't know my name is Siddhartha.
of course everyone knows that. Okay, bye. We'll see you next video.